Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to fix this problem because I just got it. Now. I was posting a video and then I was putting my thumbnail and it says like file is bigger than 2 MB. So I was searching and I found this very good tool, amazing, free, and very easy, which is in this website called darkdiary.com. I will put the links in the description box, so don't worry. So if you wrote it by yourself, just write darkdiary.com and then come to AI tools and then free online image compressor and free online image resizer. Easy peasy master squeezy. So you will come here. First of all, change compress to 20 kilobytes to 2 MB. Oh, sorry, my charger. And then choose your thumbnail. For example, this is mine, and compress. Easier than this, I don't think there is something like that. And then just download it, and every single thing will be downloaded and easy peasy. So today's video is ended. Yeah, it's so easy and so fast. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to write me anything, and even, I don't know, a small comment with a small heart, red, white heart. I'll be so happy with it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.